In the heart of our collective aspirations lies a vision of a developed India, a Viksit Bharat by the year of 2047. Achieving this dream requires a collective effort for each one of us to realize the potential of our nation. And as we celebrate Quality Pakwara from 12th to 26th of January, witness universities and schools participating towards a mission which leads us to excellence. Quality isn't a buzzword. As an ambassador of Quality Council of India's Quality Bharat mission, I ensure that there is quality in everything that I do, whether the choices we make or the actions we take. Quality always ensures progress. So join me in this journey and let's take a pledge together to make India a developed nation, a Viksit Bharat by the year of 2047. Together, let's make this dream of a developed India turn into reality. Jai Hind.